This is John Cook, one of the application engineers with Roboris. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to import tools from the master tool database, modify existing tools, and build your own tools using parametric forms and using the sketcher for more complex geometry. We will begin by creating a project from a template. Launch Eureka. Go to File and select New Project. The Projects Directory folder shows the path Eureka is going to save the project. The Template field drop-down is where you select the template you want to use. Select the Haas VF2 empty table template. In the New Project Name field, name your project. Click OK to create your new project. Let's import a tool to your project tool database. Click the Tool Database button to open the project tool database. Our tool database is currently empty, so we will import a tool from our master tool database. Select Import from Folder. Navigate to the tool library in the Eureka3X folder. Open the tool library folder and click Select. A preview window will open for the tool database. If you click on a tool in the list, it will be displayed. Click the blue check mark next to the Tool Code tab at the top of the window to deselect all of the tools. Let's select the first full radius cutter. Click OK to import the tool to your project tool database. Left-click on the new tool. Then click on one of the View buttons on the top of the preview window. You will see a preview of the imported tool. Let's modify our imported tool. Left-click to select the imported tool and change the tool code to 1. Then click Save. Next, right-click on the tool and select Clone to duplicate the tool. Click on the top tab of the tool tree. Go to the tool code box and change it to 2. Click on the Mill tab to open the cutter parameters. This tool was created with one of Eureka's parametric tool forms, so we can modify it. You will see a layout of the cutter's shape. The tool geometry section has the variables we can change. Let's set h1 to 0.125